Hey, what is up, incredible people? My name is Victor and this is Nokia E6, aka Nokia E06-00. And in this video, let's check this out. So Nokia E6 is a phone from the era of iPhone 5. It was originally launched in 2012 when the Nokia was the king of the smartphone market. It has a lot of specs similar to the iPhone 5s, but performance-wise, it was slightly behind them. You cannot just imagine how much things have been packed in this small form factor of this phone. And it has a QWERTY keyboard and the skin is a touch skin. So this is from the era of touch and type. We got a lot of keys. We have num keys built into this. The touch skin is a 2.46 inches, and on the back we have an 8-megapixel camera. There is actually 3 flashes. One is red and other 2 produces slightly warmer tone. The speaker is next to this thing, and there is a very nice Nokia logo built into the back casing or something like that. Apart from the keyboard, we have a lot of buttons throughout the body. We have the media controllers, and you must be wondering what is this thing. This thing is not for just pausing your videos or music. This thing actually a voice command button, like long press this. Open camera. Sometimes it's just struggles. Camera. So now this thing is gonna pop up the camera. So cool and nice features. Like now, as I have opened the camera is really impressive. For the given time it was launched to that standard, this camera really outperforms.
Talking the camera features, this provides a lot of option and effect to choose from. It also features a night mode. You can select the ISO, white balance, contrast, and a lot of things. Let's look at some image samples from this phone. They're not the great though, but you can obviously tweak them to get a better result. But they are still impressive for a 2012 smartphone. The exterior design of this phone really looks premium, but it's not a very well built phone. But it feels premium on hand. The battery it packs up is a 1500 mAh cell.
Let's talk about some other features. This thing came up with the Symbian Ana OS, and it can be upgradable to Nokia's Bailey OS, and it comes with a selfie camera, which was not that phenomenal at that time actually. The internal storage was 8 gigabytes and it has 256 megabytes of RAM, and the day-to-day task is really outstanding. Still now in 2022, I can still say that this is an usable phone. I can actually call it a smartphone. This thing packs up so much feature, the camera feature and the software feature. There is a lot. I cannot just end up talking about that. And there's a lot of Easter eggs in the hardware and the software, which you might be exploring if you have your hands on this phone. When I had my hands on this phone in 2014, I was really getting wondered how much it has packed, and it has almost every feature you can expect from a modern day smartphone. But in 2012's version, right, there's obviously some drawbacks, and it cannot outperform today's smartphones. They're really very powerful, but still you cannot deny this is still an usable phone. And not just about the specs and features, this thing has survived many drops, and you know, Nokia is specialized for that. It actually packs up so much thing that was considered to be a futuristic device for the given year 2012, but and you can say yes, this has packed those features which are now considered to be a must-have in modern day smartphones. So this was the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give a like to this video and subscribe for more videos like this. See you soon with some new interesting videos. Till then, stay good, and keep doing incredible things. And yes, of course, keep watching Incredible Victor.